Welcome to the CryptoNest. So today I just want to make a video, a follow-up on Fantom. So first of all, let's go and check the fear and greed. Let me refresh just to be sure, because once I didn't refresh and then yeah, it didn't. Okay, so we are at 51, so we're taking a rest. So it's not bad because we did spike up. After that, we had the pullback. Now we did a nice ride here. Now we're having a normal, healthy pullback. And if you pay notice, yeah, we're kind of ranging on kind of the previous resistance that now is becoming support. And actually, this is the second time we're testing it. Okay, what else do we have on the bubbles? Let's see. So today is kind of a red day, except a few coins. So we can see that Fantom is shining today, 13%. We have Ronan, Aptos, and ICP. Those are I would say, the major winners of the day. And yeah, we have AR also, our weave. Okay, so now here, economic now. Let's go and check just for fun the fear and greed. I think yesterday was, what was 72? Wow, so 76. So we need to be careful about these. These are kind of indicators that we can, check from the hint. Okay, now we went back to 74. There you go. But we definitely don't want to be into the 90s, because if we are there, yeah, well, tie up your sell stop limit, because liquidation weeks will be incoming. So if you don't want to lose your profits, then keep them and put a TP order. Okay, now let's jump back into Fantom. So let me go on the daily now, if my computer allow me. So we had this nice bull run. I believe this was the bear market. You know, if someone says the bear market is not finished yet, well, okay, good luck with that. We'll see each other when we're going to be on top, and then you are, well, I mean, it is coming. It is true. Bear market, it is coming. That's for certain. But before, we're going to have a bull market. All right. So yeah, so here was the bottom. We now can say clearly that we had a bounce here. We had a wave 1. We went to retest the previous resistance. We had a very healthy, nice pullback. And now we're having this third wave impulsive movement. As you can see, this slope, well, the third wave, the slope is much higher, much steeper. So yeah, that's confirmed also. That's another way you can confirm that this is the third wave. But definitely, if you do the fib extension of the wave 1 to the wave 2, we already reached the 1.618 and it's going even higher. Now the question is this still the third wave, or we did the fourth wave? Yeah, so that's the question. Honestly, I'm asking myself. Let's take the big screen so you can see that the wave 2, it's kind of long. Let me change the color. Not sure it's better, maybe yellow. Okay, so it's kind of long, right? Damn. Delete. Okay, so yeah, so it's long, but this, I mean, this is that short or what? I mean, that's crazy short. Because yeah, for sure, we keep saying if the wave 2 is very long and shallow, we're going to have a fourth wave, short but deep. But now we're not having any of those, so we're having a micro correction, like very, very short, and I don't see really the deep, right? I mean, yeah, maybe if I take out the log, maybe I can see more. Not even. So you can see that we barely touched the 0.3, the 0.236, and yeah, okay, I can count 3 wave. That was a overshooting wave B, and then we had the C, barely. it didn't even do a lower low because for sure we did the overshooting wave B. So that's one option. That could be completed, the wave 4, but now I have no choice, right, to say this is completed. Or I need to keep the idea that all this movement, it's all a third wave, and eventually we're going to make a fourth wave. So now I'm kind of mixed feeling which one to go with. If I have more time after, I'm going to go and try to do some micro counting. Maybe I can figure it out like that. Maybe count 5 waves into the third wave, or maybe we find another one too that would explain it. Maybe this is I don't know, this is the third wave of the third wave, and now this is like a 1, and this is A, B, C to make a wave 2, and then and so on, right? So maybe if I do that, then I can say, okay, all this was the third wave or something like that. I don't know. I need to take some time if I can find some time to do that. But the important thing now is like, definitely this level that we are, it was a previous resistance on our way back, because this is why I do these boxes. So let's go and jump back. There you go. So we had some wicks here, and then we had kind of a small resistance on our way down. But the main goal, the main objective, it's really to go and challenge this resistance here. So we're talking about $1.60. Amazing, right? So I mean, yeah, this is amazing. And let's remember from where we started, the bear market low was like 17 cents. We had a chance to pull for a small pullback here and then recharge at around between 30 and 35, and now we're already at 117. And you see, it didn't take so much time, right? It's less than 1 month, is it? Let's say I take from here, this is 23rd of February. Wow, 22nd of March, not even barely 1 month. So that's I call that the power of crypto. Okay, so now we can still go higher, but I don't like this kind of movement, honestly. So because the pullback are strong, so I would say that maybe this price is start to be a little bit tired. Also, if we do some trend lines, can we say that it's doing something maybe a little bit bearish pattern? Is it doing kind of a wedge, right? So this is, I'm not saying it's going to drop now. Very possibly will continue to go a little bit higher and do something. Why didn't you do it? Come on. You can do still something like that. And now the problem with these patterns is either it break out and really go. I usually when they break out, they go pretty much directly. But if it got rejected, then it's going to start his correction, his bigger correction, which is not bad because I'm going to be reloading Fantom and very happy of this performance. And let's face it, it did work very hard, and we can count now almost 5 waves, but I'm honestly uncertain about this fourth wave. I honestly think that maybe all this is the third wave, and we're going to have a nice structural or structured pullback for the fourth wave. Sorry. Yeah, this is what I'm looking forward now, and hopefully we will have a chance to get when it's going to make its pullback, a very nice entry again. All right, so this is pretty much all what I wanted to share with you with Fantom. So I'm still very bullish. Now, for sure, this is an indicator. It doesn't say much on the coin. It's not because the RSI, you can see that I can see start to see some bearish divergence now. But as I said, I believe the coin can still go and, maybe ideally even reach the 2.618 at $1.34. And you never know. It can skyrocket and go and test this $1.60. But after that, yeah, I believe it does need to take a rest. And stock RSI on the daily, you can see that we're not even yet onto the over bought or about there. But eventually, when both are overbought, at the end of the day, it's going to go and, you need to go and start and rest. And yeah, and you combine that mainly with the price action. Price action is telling us that it's reaching its potential. Also, we're having this uptrend edge, which is a little bit bearish as a pattern. So we have a lot of indication to say that, price is, no, I'm not saying it's stopping, but it's near stop and needs some rest. So maybe adjust your sell stop limit. For sure, this is not financial advice, but this is what I'm doing. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.